Car theft is ridiculous, especially on brand new cars. People think, oh, well, it's a brand new car, they can't take it. Not the case. Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So another Igla first. So this is a brand new 2025 Lexus LX600H. So it is a hybrid. So it is the first version of this vehicle. There was an LX600. This is an LX700H. So it's a hybrid. First year, 2025. We have 3 monitors. So the rear view mirror is a monitor. You have the actual infotainment screen, and then you have your climate control and all the car functions, your gyro, everything that's for the car itself. It's super cool. It's got this aluminum looking trim with the accent lighting. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. See all the aluminum trim through here, all the accent lighting and all the cubbies and door panels, and just a phenomenal looking car. Obviously you can see why the client would like to keep it, right? So it's a brand new car. Right now, car theft is ridiculous, especially on brand new cars. People think, oh, well, it's a brand new car, they can't take it. Not the case. So with these new devices that they're using to do relay attacks or key cloning, if you don't have some form of blocker that either blocks it from inhibits start or inhibits shift, the car can get easily stolen, because it's very easy for these criminals to either relay attack the key or clone the key. They're using locksmith grade equipment to make keys. And once they have the key, if you don't have an Igla PIN code, there's nothing stopping them from driving the car as if it's their car. The client wanted an Igla. Obviously, he wants to protect the vehicle. The only thing is the 700H technically is not covered. We were able to install the unit and make it function, and we're gonna show you how that works. So you start the vehicle, and obviously being a hybrid, sometimes the engine starts, sometimes it just says ready, okay? So now the way that it works on this particular vehicle is it allows you to start the car. The second you go to put it in drive or reverse, the car throws itself back into park. So it threw itself back into park, reverse, threw itself back into park, drive. If you hear that, it's the car throwing itself back into park and the emergency brake coming on. So every time I do it, the car throws itself back into park. So even though you could get the car started, you can't drive away with the car. There's no way to drive away with it. So it's a really cool feature. Now I'm gonna put in the pin, 2 chirps, and now I can put it in gear and the car will let me drive. So the nice thing is, on this 2025, the car is now protected. It doesn't matter if they do a relay attack. It doesn't matter if they clone the key. It doesn't matter of any of that. The car will not go into drive unless you input the PIN code. And then second, we added a Drone XC dash cam. So this is a Ring doorbell style camera for your car. So not only does it allow you to record front and back, it allows you to remote in. So basically from an application right on your phone, you can look at the camera. So you can look at the forward camera, rear camera. So if something happens, you can literally turn your phone on, go to it, hit it, boom, it'll pop up and you can see it real time. So it's nice because it allows you to view the camera, record something in case you have an accident or somebody hits you or somebody jumps in front of you. Also, it allows you to track the vehicle. So again, we always talk about this. Let's say they did somehow manage to take the vehicle, whether it's tow it, drag it, push it, you would know and be able to track it real time on your application and know exactly where the vehicle is.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.